So hi and welcome. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finishing off the like button and well, we'll see how far we get with that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the like button itself, which is here, and I'm just going to set it. Oh no, wait. I'm going to go up actually to the top, and I'm going to include our CSS for find friends. And I'm just going to check what folder it's in. So it's in the CSS folder and it's sitestyle.css. So I'm going to type in the dot and the forward slash, but they're not required. And then we're just going to type CSS slash style underscore CS, or no, site underscore style dot CSS. And now if we go to the button and we refresh the page, now our like button looks a bit better. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're gonna, well, at the minute, if we click the like button, we can click it as many times as we want, and it'll still like the page, but we want it so that you can only click the like button once. So what we'll do is we'll put a check in to see whether someone's liked the post already. So what I'll do down here is I'll create a new PHP block. Well, I suppose I could just get rid of these. And in here, I'm just going to put a comment that says check for previous likes. And what it's going to be is a MySQL query, so it's going to be check for likes, which, as I said, is a MySQL query. The query is going to say select all from user underscore likes, where, and this is where we go back into our database. And in our database, what we can see is three columns. And what we're going to say is where username equals cinema in this case, and where UID equals that. So I'm just going to copy that because to save me coming back. I'm going to say where username equals, and then we can just say user because up here, okay, so we need to declare the user variable. It looks like yeah, okay, we'll do that after. So where where is it? Where username equals user, and which in this case we can use just use the double and, or we can use that, it doesn't matter. UID equals, and well, actually we don't need to copy the other UID because all we can do is use the UID variable we created earlier. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to set num rows likes equals MySQL num rows, and we use the name of this query, which is check for likes. Then what we're going to do is we're going to say if num rows likes equals 1, then we're going to do nothing, or else, and we can actually say if num rows likes is greater than or equal to 1, then we don't want well, okay, actually up here we're going to say if num row likes equals 0, because then we want the code to run basically. And I can actually change these around, change the order of those. So what this says is if numRows likes is greater than or equal to 1, so if they've liked it before, then we don't want to do anything, basically is what we're going to do here. And then else if numRows likes equals 0, so if they haven't liked it before, we're going to let them actually like it. So what I'm going to do here is okay, we'll cut this and we'll just actually get rid of it, and we will get rid of these PHP initiating things, the PHP tags, because we don't need them. And let me see what else we need to get rid of. Okay, so that looks like it for the minute. And we're just going to say echo and then put this in an echo statement, and obviously get rid of this as well. So I'm just going to do these for all these variables, and then we can move on and check it still works. Okay, so now we've done that, we should see actually nothing. Okay, and yeah, we need to declare the variable user. So what I'll do is go open, and I will open the header file, and I'm just going to copy this code here. So what I'm going to do is I'll just paste it up here, and then we should be good to go. So as I said, we should see nothing, which is correct. But now if I go back to the database and the overview of all the tables, and I empty user underscore likes, we emptied it now, so now we should see the like button, which is correct. So now we see the like button, and now if we click like, it says 67 likes, and okay, so there's something going wrong here. So I'll just come back when I find out what it is. Okay, so I found the problem, and it's basically we just forgot to tell it to insert data into the user underscore likes table. It must have deleted it by accident. So I'll say user underscore likes equals MySQL query, and this query is just going to say insert into user underscore likes values. The first one, we only have 3 values, so the first one is empty, obviously, because it's the ID. The second one is the user variable, and the third one is the UID variable. So now if we refresh this and we run it again, it disappears, but if we go into the likes table, we will see it didn't actually like it, but it, let me see. Okay, so it worked there. Let me see. Okay, so I just checked over it and it seems to be working. So I don't know what the problem was, but maybe there was no problem, I don't know. So I'll keep an eye out for that, but it looks like it's fine. And now what we're going to do is we're going to show a button to remove a like from the database. So what we just do is copy this and then paste it above. So I'll just put an echo statement in here, and obviously we change this to unlike. So now if we refresh, we should see a button that says unlike, and let's actually make that lowercase. So what we're going to do is just change a couple of things. Change that to unlike button, and we're going to go up here and copy this and just paste it down, and then obviously change this to unlike button, update likes, set total likes equal to total likes. What I'm going to do is total likes equals total likes minus 1. So let's see, does this work? And we'll just actually leave that for now. So let's try this now, and if we refresh and we click unlike, now we should see the like button value decrease, the total likes value. So let's try it again. Okay, so something didn't work, so we'll just get rid of this, and then let's try it the other way. So if we go up to the top again and we say total likes equals total likes minus 1, so then we'll just say remove likes equals total likes minus 1, and then we just change this to remove likes. So let's try it now and click that, and then click browse and see does it work. Okay, so I know why this wasn't working, and it's actually pretty simple. It's because we have total likes equal to total likes plus 1, and we have remove likes equal to total likes minus 1. And since total likes already, since this is above total likes, or since this is below total likes already equals plus 1 more than it should. So when we minus 1, we're just getting the number that we have in the database. So what we do is we minus 2, and if we go and refresh, we click on like, it goes down 1 each time. As you can see, it goes down 1. And if we refresh the likes table, as you can see, it says 58 and we have 59 there, so it's 1 off, but that's because we're being displayed the total likes plus 1 number. If we were to fix that, actually, we could just say total likes db and then copy it and paste it in there, and then go down here and just display total likes db. So this way, okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. We'll just undo that. I don't know why that didn't work, but it's not important. So now we've done that, we just want to also remove where is it? The user from the user likes table. So to do that, what we're going to do, so we're going to go into context, and we're going to create a MySQL query, and it's just going to say remove like, or remove user, and then we're just going to say MySQL query equals MySQL query, and then we're just going to say remove from user underscore likes, where username equals user and UID equals UID. So now if we go back and we refresh and we click unlike and we refresh again, okay, so something didn't work. Okay, so for some reason it's not working, so what I'll do is I will just copy this. I must have just spelled something wrong in the query, I don't know. So what I'll say is just remove user and we're going to change this to delete from user underscore likes, and we're just going to delete that, and then also write and username equals user. So if we try this and we refresh and we click unlike, we get like again. So if we go into user likes and we see in the table, we have no rows. As you can see, if we click browse, it just takes us to the structure. And now if we click like, we have 57 likes, and if we click unlike, we have 56. So now I've liked it again, I'll refresh this and we should have another row in the table. Yes, we do, and it's got a different ID obviously, so it's a different row. But that's it for our liking and unliking system kind of, and there's not much more to it now. But in the next video, what we'll be doing is just including it on pages and showing you how you can use it. Like we're going to be basically registering new like buttons, so allowing users who use our social network to create their own like buttons, as well as include them on some of our own pages. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you next time.